Hi, you guys. This is going to be a little quick video, but I might just let you follow along with me as I add these to the finishing touches to this website that I'm creating. As you can see on this website, I have a lot of different icons, but some of them are not icons, they're images. As you can see, this Instagram one, it's definitely an image and not an icon because those colors are very specific. But this one, it actually for Facebook is an icon. And what you can also do is you need the specific color blue that Facebook uses. You can go in and you can inspect any website and look at what colors they're using. So that's what I did for Facebook. But I mean, this website that I'm about to show you, they have all of the different icons that you will ever need, okay? And I need a profile, like somebody's profile, like an account. So I'm going to use this man. But this website is good because before I used a certificate, I needed a little icon for a certificate. For my website, as you can see, well, I used this instead, but what I found out is that you can change the color in this website for these icons. So let's just say that you don't want this color blue down here. You don't want this beige looking color. You can change these colors to whatever you want them to be, which is really powerful because, I mean, come on, like you don't want to just maybe have the colors that they're giving you. You want to customize it yourself and do that on your own. So, I mean, you can do that with this website. I think that's pretty cool. Um, and yeah, it's a pretty nice thing. So once you finish, you click done and then you download it. When you try to download it, you can see now these sizes you'll have for free. But if you get anything bigger than 80 by 80 pixels, it's gonna charge you. It's gonna try to charge you. So this is PNG. You can do PDF, you can do all these different kinds. Now the link, this is good because you can just use this. I actually don't like to use links for these. I do like to download these because you don't know. I mean, like I download all of my images, because you don't know if this website will still be here in freaking 2025. It's like if you have them saved to your computer, you know for sure that is what it is. But if you use this source, of course, it's going to be this website. Now they can change their website later and your picture is going to be distorted on your website. So that's why it's always safe to save. I do like to download the image and then use it from my own computer because I know that's never going to change unless I change my own files. So, okay. Um, what I'm going to do right now is change these images down here because with this website, I put these generic icons here. So for this one, I'm going to need like a profile. So this is purple. I wish I can get like somebody with a purple shirt on. But since I can't, this man is gonna have to do. He looks pretty clean, pretty spiffy. So with this one, I like it too because I don't need 94 by 94. I just like 50 by 50. I use 50 pixels, which is, let me see, it's the same size as these right here. So you know what? That might actually be a little bit too big. Eh, I mean, it's okay. I'll just fix it. So, okay, I'll use 50 by 50 and then download this. So now they're going to be in my files. So it always goes to my download. So I'm going to move this to my images. Now this should be where I can get it. So I have something in my thing. It's called platform. So that's where I'm going to go in my CSS to find on HTML first. So I'm going to try to find platform Here it is. So this is the area, and then these are the boxes. Box bottom info. No, that's the footer. Help me, Lord, help me find it. Okay, here it goes. So users. This is what I had here. So I'm going to replace this icon with an image. Tag source. I'm up so late trying to do this. Hey, that is not the icon or image I wanted. Just doing it on its own. Okay. What was that one called? It was like an account. Here we go. All right, let's name this class accounts or user. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure the other icon was called FA users. So we're going to go over to the platform and then find user. Here it is. So we're going to get rid of this. I have some styles here, which, I mean, it's kind of like, oh, that's so tiny. Let me see if I can fix this. Okay, that's kind of more like it. You like that one? I do. I think that looks better being big like that. The other one, that was just ridiculous. Okay. But it does make me want to actually make it a little bit smaller, if you know what I mean. Let me see what I should change it to, you guys. What should it be? Let's just try to make it 50. See what goes on there. Yeah, it's not gonna change. You know why? This is got its mind made up. Well, it might be it's 50 by 50 already. So if we try to make it, let's say 40, we can go smaller. Let's see. Okay, I like 40 by 40. So making it smaller is good, but if I tried to make it 60, it would have been like a fuzzier picture because this picture came as 50. That's what we need to use it as, or we need to use a smaller one. So, okay, I need a bag next. This one's nice. This is perfect, actually. Let me see. Or like a briefcase. Lord help me. Bag. Come on now. All right, bag. I did like that one, but I think we might need a different one. Find more work. It's kind of like we need like a briefcase. Let me find. Ew, that is not cute. Okay, so this is what we're working with, huh? I like this backpack. Let's just choose this one. Okay. School backpack, find more work through trust. Yeah, let's choose it. And so then now we're gonna, it's went to our download. We got Icons 8 School Backpack. Click on it, move to our images. We're done there. So then we go back to HTML and we're going to change this image source is backpack. Where's it at? Yeah, there we go. Change this to backpack. Uh, so I found this in, what was this in? This was in platform, right? The last class was named open something. See, it was a folder that was open. So we're going to just change this to backpack. Oh. All right, we're going to change the width. Oh, I should have kept that there, right? Because we want it to be 40. Yes. Okay. Let's see what that looks like, you guys. Hey, and it's brown too. I mean, this one's kind of like it's orange. I tried to make it orange, but I think that looks nice. Okay, build a team or form a startup organization. So it's like building a team. What could we have for that type of an icon? Or we can have like team. I don't want these people again. I already have a man up there. So let's do like building. Oh no, I know if I do this, it's gonna be like, no, it's gonna be an actual building. But I'm talking about building a team, like being strong, building. I don't like these. So I'm going now to Icon Finder and seeing if I could find something there. I never did look over here. This website's a little bit better than the other one. All right, let's see here. Building. See? See how it's giving me these buildings? I'm not talking about that kind of building, okay? It's like building blocks. Get it together. It's so late. I apologize for my boredom voice. Um, these are 3D pictures. Hmm. Build. That's a good one, right? Because it's not like saying that it's a building, but you're building, like you're doing something. Mm. I like this one. You think we should use this one, you guys? Now this one, let me look here. This is blue. I would like to make this man be blue, kinda. Or make this be blue. Yeah, it would look better to go along with my color scheme. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, and I'll show you that in a minute here. So 50 by 50, it's downloading. So he's pushing a box, move to images. We're going to go to our HTML and add the image here. Image. Oh, oh my goodness. It's hard to type with you guys. Hold on. Image source equals. All right. Who is this man? He is pushing a box. Oh man, I don't know what the name of that other icon was, and I don't feel like going back. Push box. Okay, so the platform, he had the backpack. Oh, it must have been this one. Yeah. Push box is what we named it. So we know that our width and height is going to be 40 pixels, and we're going to go back to the website. Hey, now this is cutting him off a little bit. I don't like it. You see how that is like, it's a little off. Bothering me. It's bothering me quite a bit, actually. Maybe because this one has a border. I'm kind of like a perfectionist, guys, about stuff. Like, man, it really bothers me when stuff is not looking right. You see how that is not a square box? It's like it's cut off because this is a border radius. So I wish the man could get cut back a little bit, but that's not going to work. I'm wondering if I should find a new icon because it's not really straightforward what he's doing, kind of like. Um, yeah, let me choose just another one, like a worker or somebody that is gonna build something, maybe like a construction worker, or maybe a muscle. I mean, a muscle is good enough, right? Let's just choose. Well, let me see. I don't know. Let me see if they got some different ones. Okay, we're getting out of control. I am so thirsty. I think we're gonna use a construction man. Oh, that's kind of good. Or like, let me see, like a brick wall or a hammer. Yeah, a hammer, because it's like building, right? You guys get where I'm going with this. All right, I'm gonna choose this one because I really do think that that's a good option to use. So we're gonna go to our files. We got the hammer in there, move it to images. Then we're gonna go to the HTML and change our picture, you guys, to hammer. Hammer. I am Hammer. They put me in the mix. You guys know that song by MC Hammer? Okay, hammer. Hmm. So then we go back to platform, we change it to hammer. Okay. Oh, that one's way more cleaner. Don't you agree? I do. I think that looks very nice. Okay, so for my website, I think I have kind of finished everything. For this one, this calculator is still looking stupid. So I think the only things I have now is these calculators to figure out. And then I feel like right here I might need something else. I don't know what that will be, but you know what? That's my video for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. You learned some things. Icons8.com, good website for finding colorful icons that you can use every day on your website. And then also iconfinder.com. That's a good one too. And of course, we got the good old Font Awesome, but if you want to step up on your icons, you definitely can use these two websites as long as you don't do anything too crazy. you can get it for free. But, if you want kind of bigger pictures and things like that, it's going to start trying to charge you. All right, that's my video for tonight, you guys. I'm so sleepy, and I hope everybody has a good day, good night, whatever it is where you are. All right, bye, you guys.